Hey, this is Kevin with Force Customs in Tampa, Florida. This is a really cool build we're going to get ready to go over right now. It is an amazing story from a guy from Virginia that I actually met and worked with 3 years ago. Never put a build together. Contacted him about every 6 months. I'm going to do it, and then he ended up doing it. So, and this one's pretty intense to the point that I actually have like 2 pages of cheat notes here on it. But take a look at this. A 2020 Rubicon stick shift. Had to have a stick shift. He shipped it in from Virginia. We did a custom build with went through every nut and bolt just about. So this is sitting on a TeraFlex Alpine CT3 3.5 long arm kit with Falcon adjustable shocks. Long arms on there. It rides amazing. I mean, just amazing. So we did went with 22 by 12 4-play wheels. And there goes a Mustang. With 38-inch Nitto ridge grapplers. Custom dome hood. We have a Demon grill, all custom painted. DV8 number 15 front bumper. Powder coated shackles and winch lead. Waterproof 10K Schmitty built winch. Rigid pods. The grill's a Demon grill with the obviously the light bar that's sitting in there as well. Falcon adjustable steering stabilizer. Z-Roads 50-inch light bar pack. This stuff is everything it's metal is powder coated, and then of course the rest is painted. So you see get a longevity of the powder coating. So this is the infab boards. Take the steps off, keep them black. We've done the inner fenders as well with the factory Rubicon fenders that actually, they give you another inch of clearance anyway. So this thing can still articulate really well. Looks good. Gibson exhaust with the powder coated skulls. Schmitty Belt came out with their new pivot tire replacement, hinge replacement. Very strong, much stronger than the Mopar one for sure. And then we're gonna walk inside here. We did designer, as you can see, black and blue. Designer leather. Took the dash out. Did with the black with the blue and the theme all the way through. Slush mats. I'm sure I'm probably missing something. Well, there's something right there. With a lime green calipers just for a little additional pop. It goes on there, all heat treated and painted. It's silver with Empire blue. And there you go. 2020 Jeep JL Rubicon stick on a long arm. Our shop foreman Rob did all the welding and cutting and stuff, and the thing just rides amazing. Once again, I'm repeating myself, but it is one of those Jeeps that you spend some time on and fall in love with. All right. Again, this is Kevin with Force Customs, Tampa, Florida.